Lohit. I represent CoinDCX. I take care of business. We are here at Money Expo. This is our second day here, and we brought our entire team to Money Expo. Our mission is to educate investors and traders about crypto, and we have seen a big influx of people over the last 2 days. Our booth is still packed with about 100 people and very good audience. People have the right questions. People have the intent to trade. People have the intent to make money. And they've asked us some very hard questions. But we've been able to answer most of them. But overall, very great experience interacting with people here at the 4th edition of the Money Expo at the Geo World Center in Mumbai.
Basically, what is the crux of this event? What could be the money? As I understood what money is, calling for money. What is the future of?
So, if you see the future of money, the future of money is definitely going digital. Now, we've had the age where you've seen the adoption of UPI. All of us use it now. It has a significant market share. But even for cross-border, you will see the adoption of more digital technologies. Crypto is a part of that. You will see a lot of stable coins being launched. You will see the remittance layers cross-border now move to crypto as well. So how you move money will become more efficient. It will become cheaper. But the next big revolution will be in stable coins for remittances use case.
My name is Yash Kansara. I am Assistant Vice President with 5paisa Capital. And it's been in the 4th edition Money Expo, which is happening in India Geo World Trade Convention Center. And again, we are participating for the 4th time. The experience year and year, the experience is increasing. The crowd is increasing. We are able to get, more trader investors on our stall. So yeah, it's all about it.
What are the key takeaways from this expo? If you can tell us about.
So if you will see, the best takeaway is where the Money Expo, it is not only exploring or giving opportunity for us on the Indian stock market, but also for the crypto, forex, and all the thing which is happening in the across the Asia. So that is what the people, those who are coming, they understand the financial market, they understand basics of stock market, how to invest, what to do. So many things are there.
Hello everyone, my name is Terry Lee Bennett and I'm the COO at CMS Prime. We're here today at the Money Expo 2025 and our experience so far has been absolutely fantastic. The footfall has been amazing and the quality of the guests and the participants have been fantastic. All traders, all ready to speak about everything about trading and education, and we've really been enjoying it so far.
So what are the key takeaways from this expo?
The key takeaways, I think, from here have been the speakers have been fantastic. The level of people that have got trading schools and they want to speak about how we can educate Indians traders much better. And most definitely, my last key takeaway would be next time to bring more of our account executives to our booth, because we have been needing more people to speak to all the consultations we've been having.
Thank you.
ये पढ़कर आपने मुझे काफ़ी फिल्मों में देखा होगा, बहुत एंटरटेन किया है, लेकिन आज खुद को मैं एंटरटेन करने यहाँ आया हूँ। एक पता चला कि हमारे मराठी दीपक दरेकर जो फॉरेक्स इंडस्ट्री में बहुत कम मराठी लोग हैं। अब मराठी थोड़ा तो अभिमान है, हमको गर्व लगता है कि बहुत कम लोग हैं फॉरेक्स में, और दीपक दरेकर आज बहुत बड़े पैमाने पे फॉरेक्स इंडस्ट्री में आए हैं, अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं। जो फॉरेन में दुबई हो या USA हो, बहुत से बाहर की कंट्री के लिए फॉरेक्स इंडस्ट्री में बहुत अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं, तो उनको मेरी तरफ से बहुत शुभकामनाएं। आज ये इंडस्ट्री में पहली बार आए हो, तो मतलब मुझे तो ऐसा लगता है हमारी जो फिल्म इंडस्ट्री है उससे भी यहाँ चकाचौंध बहुत बड़ी है। पैसे का मामला है ना, यहाँ से तो उगम स्थान है पैसे का। तो दीपक दरेकर के लिए बहुत शुभकामनाएं, ऐसे ही अच्छा काम करते रहे और पूरे यहाँ के जो सब इंडस्ट्री वालों को जो आज मतलब इन्वेस्टमेंट है, ब्रोकरेज है, उनके सबके लिए मेरी तरफ से शुभकामनाएं। ऑल द बेस्ट। और दीपक जी, तुम्हारा पण
थैंक यू सो मच।
एक्सपो का 4th सीजन है, क्या कहना चाहेंगे? इंडिया और इंडिया के बाहर के सब भी लोग आए हैं, बायर्स एग्जीबिटर्स, क्या कहेंगे आप सर?
आए हैं, आना है उनको, यहाँ आना ही पड़ेगा क्योंकि इंडिया इज़ ए फास्ट ग्रोइंग कंट्री। आज सबको लग रहा है क्या होना चाहिए, आज सबको एक महसूस हो रहा है कि क्या होना चाहिए। आज जो इंडस्ट्री अपनी बढ़ रही है, इंडिया की अपनी इकोनॉमी जो बढ़ रही है, इसलिए सब आ रहे हैं। इसलिए ये 4th ईयर है ये होने का, बोलते 40 साल तक चलने वाला है। इसके सबके लिए वही ऑल द बेस्ट, ऑल द बेस्ट।